thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north-central Texas, northwestern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, southeastern Collin County in north-central Texas, northeastern
I
Dallas
caught that
County
one.
in north-central Texas until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sunnyvale or near Rowland, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Spotters reported ping-pong ball-sized hail near Mesquite. Hazard, ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Garland, Mesquite, Richardson, Rowland, Wiley, Rockwall, Bulk Springs, Sandsea, Forney, Murphy, Roy City, Heath, Fett, Lucas, Sunnyvale, Parker, Mobile City, Levon, and McClendon Chisholm. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 55 and 74. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.